Voice for Professional Women, a series of workshops created for you by you. We responded to what you, our clients, want. We created a safe space, a creative safe space with a series of passionate artist teachers ready to support you in your voice, in your presence, in your message, helping it be heard. We have created this series of workshops because we want a seat at the table. We've earned a seat at the table. And how do we be heard once we get that seat at the table? We have a collection of coaches and teachers who are passionate about your voice being heard, literally, physically, and metaphorically. Are we hearing your message? I'm talked over. I feel like people aren't hearing me. I have great ideas and then they're repeated by someone else. How do I make sure I'm heard? My voice is tight, it's screechy. There are literal things happening with the sound of my voice that I am not happy with. We work on those. We also work on, how do I show up fully? How am I comfortable being fully present? What words matter? How does my message need to come out of me to land on you? What feedback have you received? What have you received in a 360 or some other feedback manner? And you're like, I gotta fix this. I want my voice heard now and forever because I have a message that needs to be shared. We are here to grow with you and challenge you, love you, support you, and set you free.